Hello everyone! This tutorial is about the transport system in plants, where we are going to learn about the structure of the transport system in the dicotyledonous plant and the importance of the transport system. First of all, how does the structure of the transport system look like inside the plants? The plant's transport system is made up of lots of tiny tubes that carry substances required for growth and reproduction up and down the plant. Flowering plants, specifically the dicotyledonous plants, make seeds that contain two cotyledons, which are organs that act as food stores for the developing embryo plant and form the first leaves when the seed germinates. Dicotyledonous plants have a series of transport vessels running through the stem, roots, and leaves. This is known as the vascular system. In herbaceous dicots, this is made up of two main types of transport vessels, the xylem and the phloem, as shown in the picture. These transport tissues are arranged together in vascular bundles in the leaves, stems, and roots. But why is the transport system important in plants, or why do plants require a transport system? First of all, due to the metabolic demands. The cells of green parts of the plants make their own glucose and oxygen by photosynthesis. But many internal and underground parts of the plant do not photosynthesize. So, these internal structures need oxygen and glucose transported to them and the waste products of cell metabolism removed. The second reason why plants need a transport system is the size of the plants. Many plants are large and some of them are enormous. This means that these plants need very effective transport systems to move substances both up and down from the tip of the roots to the topmost leaves and stems. The third reason why plants need a transport system is the surface area volume ratio. This means that they cannot rely on diffusion alone to supply their cells with everything they need. So they require a transport system.